Markets boosted as the US and China indicate that they are going to hold a call on trade sometime as early as next week, guys. So what this does is this creates an important event that the market is going to be looking forward to, that is going to be quite a big determinant of near-term risk sentiment. So just to give a bit of context on this call, as we know, in the last couple of weeks, tensions between the US and China have been rising because basically the US has been turning the heat up and pointing the blame at China for the coronavirus pandemic, saying that they didn't handle the outbreak appropriately in the beginnings, and all this kind of stuff about how the damage the pandemic is causing the world. They might punish China, they might do tariffs, blah, 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 all this kind of stuff. Markets haven't liked it. As these tensions heated up, markets did go a bit risk off in the last couple of, towards the end of last week and the beginning of this week, actually, you'll remember, guys. So markets have jumped a little bit on the fact that there's actually going to be some constructive dialogue, fingers crossed, between the two sides, because what you don't want is just insults being hurled from one side to the other. What you want is a constructive call, with proper negotiations and a proper discussion. So this call in a way bodes well. However, there's no guarantee that the call is definitely going to go well, which is why I'm saying that this creates an important event that we're going to have to look forward to, and markets going to be waiting for the outcome for. Because imagine this, imagine the call goes really, really well and the US shelves all those threats about, maybe reimposing tariffs or doing this or doing that, or non-tariff barriers or whatever punishment they might hit China with. That would be a big boost to risk sentiments, all your risk assets, AUD, NZD, stocks, crude, CAD probably, NOK, SEK as well. All of them would be boosted and havens would be weighed on. Think about the other scenario. Imagine the call goes badly. US and China fail to agree on X, Y, and Z issues, blah, 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 blah. And then straight away afterwards, US officials continue hurling insults at China about coronavirus. Well, you're going to see the opposite market reaction. So risk assets, like all the ones I just listed, they're going to be under pressure. Havens going to be supported. So it is going to be a really important event. Obviously, we're going to be covering it all for our members, so do check out our memberships. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I will see you in the next one.